Bruno Valet Plus. Unfortunately, even seemingly simple tasks can be pretty difficult for older people or people with disabilities. Getting into or out of a car can be pretty challenging. Bruno's specialists offered a great solution. Instead of climbing into the car and reaching for the seat, why not do it the other way round, bringing the seat out? Valet Plus is a car seat that can turn and move around. All you have to do to get the seat down to a comfortable height is pressing the special remote control button. The maximum weight that this seat can bear is 168 kilograms. It can be installed instead of a passenger seat or the driver's seat. The footboard height is adjustable too, so that even children can be transported safely in the seat. The original seat is removed before the installation of Valet Plus. It remains intact, so it can be installed back at any time.